That's right, another new product from Conde at Conde.com. Check it out. Rodeo Bo here to tell you that your business just got a whole lot cooler with this brand new product from Unisub. Just check out the vintage vibes on this hotel-style keychain tag. Check them out at Conde.com or give them a call at 1-800-826-6332 and let them know that Rodeo Bo sent you. These bad boys are ready for double-sided sublimation action, are 3.125 inches by 1.5 inches, and are 9/10 of an inch thick. Let your vintage vibes flow with these motel-style keychain tags, which are great for spas, hotels, motels, boats, weddings, bachelor parties, bachelorette parties, birthday parties, bar mitzvahs, gifts, souvenirs, pictures of cats to show off the grandkids, and so many more. Whether your customer is the type that likes funny sayings or jokes, the sentimental type, the souvenir gift shop, or just a local business looking to expand, Conde's got the right product for you. Give them a call at 1-800-826-6332 or check out Conde.com.